The first one concerns f of x equals x squared, g of x equals square root of x minus 16, and the question was to find the composition of f and g, and to also find the domain. Well, most folks did the composition correctly, that f composed with g is equal to f of g of x, which is equal to f of square root of x minus 16, which would then be equal to square root of x minus 16 squared, which is then x minus 16. However, the domain is not the entire real line. The domain is only from 16 to infinity, counting 16. Now, the reason this is correct is because this is kind of a trick question. You cannot just simply look at the final result to see what the domain is. All the constituent pieces also have to be defined. Okay? In other words, if I take a look at this part right here, square root of x minus 16, I cannot simply plug in 14 into this part right here to get a real number. So therefore, not only does the end result have to be defined for the domain, but also this intermediate step has to also be defined. So any number less than 16 cannot be in the domain because this intermediate step is not defined for numbers less than 16.